Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon guys ay malamig ang panahon. Magluto tayo ng Filipino style champurado guys.
My family and friends, the ingredients of the champurado are sweetened condensed milk, or you can use brown sugar, and we have a hot chocolate classic from Williams Sonoma, and then it's a 1 cup of sticky rice. And of course, you need to put, let's say, 1/4 of salt to balance the sweetness of the champurado. Now I'm going to show you the steps. Boil the sticky rice. So estimate if the sticky rice is like 1 cup. Maybe put 2.5 cups of water. So depending on your style, our version is different. So if you want really sticky, maybe put a little like less water. But this one is like, just estimate maybe 2.5 cups of water. Guys, if the sticky rice is nice and cooked, soft, then add chocolate. This one. Or any kind of chocolate, cuckoo or anything chocolate, whatever you like. Okay, there you go. Mix it well. Put the sweetened condensed milk or brown sugar, whatever you have. Here we go. I think we decided to put some vanilla. So if you have vanilla, good. If not, it's okay. The sweetness of the sugar or the condensed milk, put pinch of salt or 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Garnish it with condensed milk, the sweetened condensed milk.